Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rental car points with Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your rental car points with Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, first, ensure you have your account credentials ready. Log into your Hertz Gold Plus Rewards account on the Hertz website. Once logged in, navigate to the account section of your profile. Look for the Points tab or similar option related to your rewards. Review your current points balance to check if any points have expired. If points have expired, locate the Restore Points option, typically found under Account Settings or Rewards Management. Read through the terms and conditions regarding point restoration carefully. Select the points you wish to restore, if prompted to choose. Follow the instructions to initiate the restoration process. If there's a fee associated with restoring your points, ensure you're aware of it. After confirming your request, you will receive a notification about the status of your restoration. Await the email confirmation regarding the successful restoration of your points. Check your points balance again after a few days to ensure the restored points reflect accurately. If your points are not restored, reach out to customer service for assistance. Have your account information and any relevant transaction details ready when contacting support. Keep track of any future expirations by regularly checking your points balance. This proactive approach will help you maintain and enjoy your rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.